Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing LPS slime surprise. So I'm the only one who knows what type of LPS are in the slime I got from the swap meet today. I just posted a video of me getting the new LPS from swap meet. So I put them in the slime I got today, and there's some slime on me for some reason. But anyways, yeah, I'm the only one who knows what type of LPS are in there. And yeah, you guys are going to see what else comes with them. So here we go. And yes, if you see the little LPS, those are not the surprises. It's just going to be like that forever. But guys, gotta do something for the fans. I need better lighting. I'm probably going to do this here. We're doing it here now. Let's see. Get this LPS turtle. The blue one. There's no slime on her. Got her all cleaned. Make sure there's nothing else in this slime. Oh man. Let me do this right there. Right here. Okay, put that back in. So these are the LPS I got. Well, this is the other one. So this one came with some headphones. Can this even fit on the LPS? I'm gonna try right now. Let's see if I can even do this. There we go. It's really adorable. Yeah, it just fell, but that one. Now we got this one. First thing I got was this necklace. Oh, and guys, I bought one LPS kitten for $1.70, and I was bidding on a Cocker Spaniel, and I actually won for the first time. So I feel like today's a lucky day for me, you know. But yeah, let's keep on doing this. And sorry about the background noises. If you hear the dogs and my family. You know the better solution? Music. Okay, then I got this LPS poodle. Came with his necklace, so I'm gonna put it on. Please subscribe to me and please like this video if you did, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and please watch part 2 of LPS Slime Surprise.